Imagine slipping on a pair of glasses that instantly translate foreign signs right in front of your eyes, whisper turn-by-turn directions without pulling out your phone, or let you chat with an AI that actually sees what you're looking at. Mind-blowing, right? That's the game-changing promise of true AR glasses. And the RayNeo X3 Pro is one of the first to deliver a real taste of that future. Today, I've been living with the RayNeo X3 Pro for a few weeks now, wearing them on walks, during travels, even while cooking just to test that AI vision feature. And honestly, it's exciting and frustrating in equal measure. The kind of gadget that makes you feel like you're beta testing tomorrow. If you're a tech enthusiast like me, wondering if these are worth jumping into in 2026, let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what sets the X3 Pro apart from other smart glasses out there. You've got options like the Tyriel 1 series or RayNeo's own Air 3s Pro. These are basically massive wearable screens, perfect for binge watching on a flight or turning your laptop into a multi-monitor setup. Super fun for entertainment and productivity. But the X3 Pro, it's aiming higher, real everyday AR. Think real-time translation, heads-up navigation, POV photos and videos, and hands-free chats with multimodal AI. It's more like a cousin to the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses, but with a twist. These use fancy microprojectors and waveguide optics to beam light right into your eyes, making the displays pretty much invisible when you're not wearing them. They look almost like regular thick-frame glasses. Not gonna lie, the camera bump on the nose bridge is a bit obvious, but overall, way less nerdy than bulky XR headsets. Unlike the Meta single display, the X3 Pro has dual waveguide displays, one for each eye for that stereo AR feel. RayNeo calls them full color, but let's be real, they're not matching your phone's vibrant OLED. Colors are limited, resolution isn't super sharp. That's just the current state of waveguide tech. But for what it's built for, overlaying useful info on the real world, it's surprisingly respectable. The image sits toward the bottom of your view, so it augments reality without blocking it completely. Perfect for glancing at notifications or directions. That said, fit is tricky. For me, the bottom edge of the display dips just out of my natural field of view. I have to slide the glasses down my nose, like that awkward low-perch look, to see everything. RayNeo tried to make one size fit most, but without adjustable temples like on the Air 3s or Tyriel glasses. It's hit or miss depending on your face shape. Have you guys run into fit issues with smart glasses? Drop in the comments. I'd love to hear. Design-wise, they're compact and light at just 76 grams. The temples are chunky, as expected for packing all that tech, but the soft nose pads make them comfy for hours. The center camera? It's functional. But yeah, it stands out more than the side-mounted one on Meta's glasses. Still, if you can get past that, they don't scream tech gadget as much as you'd think. Now, what can these actually do? The interface is simple. Central home screen with time, battery, and quick access to the star of the show, the AI assistant powered by Gemini Live. Swipe on the right temple touchpad, left for notifications, right for apps. Right now, the app selection is basic, camera, to-do, music, translation, maps, phone controls. But here's the cool part. You can sideload pretty much any Android APK. Powered by Snapdragon AR Gen 1. It handles stuff like Chrome or YouTube music decently. Not buttery smooth like a phone, but it works. Though honestly, these aren't meant for full apps. They shine with quick, heads-up tasks. The AI, killer feature. Tap once, talk or let it see through camera. I pointed at a menu in Spanish, asked Gemini to explain dishes. It nailed it, or showing it a street sign for translation. Supernatural, way better than fumbling with your phone. Live translation app supports 14 languages, and I tested English, Spanish, and English Russian. It was spot on with text overlays or audio. Traveling abroad? This could be a game changer. Navigation gives floating arrows in your view. Handy. Though the offset display meant I missed some cues sometimes. POV camera for photos or videos is fun, but limited. One big downside. Gemini isn't tied into the rest of the system. Can't control other apps with it yet. Hoping updates fix that. Battery life? Oof. This is the biggest compromise. Real-world use. About 40 minutes of active AI, or display time. Standby is fine, no drain, and it charges back to full in 40 minutes. But yeah, you'll be charging often, no all-day wear here. So, value in 2026? These just launched late last year, and pricing is still premium. On RayNeo's official site, the current new price is around $1,099. That's the ongoing early bird rate after the initial launch promo. Full retail is $1,299 if you miss deals. Not available widely on Amazon or Best Buy yet. So direct from RayNeo is your main spot. The limited trade-in for old models like Meta Display or RayNeo X2 ended January 5th. So no more $799 credits there. But check their site for any flash sales or bundles. Sometimes they throw in extras. Compared to cheaper XR glasses like the Air 3s Pro at $300-ish, yeah, it's steep. You're paying for that cutting-edge standalone AR tech. Pros: super compact, immersive dual displays, easy side loading, killer Gemini integration for Vision AI. Cons: short battery, prominent camera, fit quirks with display positioning. Overall, I'd give it a 6.5 out of 10. It's not hard to see the AR future. Glasses overlaying info seamlessly, lasting all day, making life easier. The X3 Pro gives us that taste now. Compromises and all. Functionality will grow with apps and updates. Drawbacks like battery will improve in future gens. At over $1,000, it's for early adopters who want to push the envelope. Travelers loving translation, pros needing hands-free AI. But in 2026, with maturing options like updated Tyriel or Roku for screens, or even new standalone competitors, most folks might hold off. If you're just after a big portable display, grab an Air 3s or Tyriel 1. Better value today. Me? I'm hooked on the potential. These make me excited for what's next. What about you? Would you drop this much for a glimpse of the AR future? Hit like if this got you thinking. Subscribe for more honest tech takes. And tell me below, ready for AR glasses or waiting for better battery? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.